Hi Virgos, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. What I'm feeling for you is that you're feeling good, but you're also feeling really stressed, and that stress is coming from your fears, your worries, and your concerns getting the better of you right now. Because I think you are excited about a new opportunity or you're working on something, but then there are these fears and concerns that hold you back or maybe question whether it's actually going to work out or whether it's actually for you or, yeah, just fears, worries, and concerns around whatever opportunity you really want or are striving for or going after or whatever your situation may be. And I'm being guided to call you back to, I think it was the October readings, maybe it was the November readings. If it was October, I think it was the general reading because I did 4 different readings for each sign that month, where you were making a huge transformation that month. And that transformation was not something that was going to benefit you only at that point in time or only for a few months. It was something that was going to benefit you for the rest of your life. And so if you made that transformation, you need to remember that the benefits that you got from it are serving you from here on out. And that means right now, this month, next month, the month after that. And these fears, concerns, and worries are the concerns, worries, and fears of the past. They no longer apply. They're just no longer relevant to you. And in terms of the guidance, I'm really not getting that much guidance in addition to that for you this month. I'm really getting that you should appreciate that, keep that in mind, understand that, just let that sit in the back of your mind until you really understand it, because you made a huge transformation in accepting yourself. And when you do that, it completely changes everything. And that is lifelong. It's lifelong. Maybe it's even multiple lifelong, but definitely for this lifetime, you've achieved it. If you made that transformation, you've achieved it, and it is going to serve you for the rest of your life. So these fears, these concerns, these worries, they don't serve you anymore. So do your best to let go and understand that things are going to be better for you. And you don't have to worry about things so much. You can let go. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website, which I'll post at the end of this video and also in the description box. And I will see you in my next one.